opportunities. What is it? Yeah, in early years, he worked as a life insurance agent and franchise operator. After nationalization, he had to choose the business family. Business family means coal mines. He had a coal mines. But after the nationalization, nationalization means hand over all the private properties. When did it happen? When was it happen? The nationalization. You just note on that the 1971 and 1972, the period the government, the nationalization of the coal mines. It is also noted it. Just you noted it. And early years, he worked as a car washer, life insurance agent, and franchise operator. Uh, then finally, he was a good author and motivational speaker. You remember the first paragraph. While working in the United States, he was inspired by the lecture delivered by the Norman Vincent Peale. Norman Vincent Peale is a motivational speaker in America. Yeah, I'll show you that picture also. He is the person, the Norman Vincent Peale. So the Mahar Shiva Keshav followed his lectures and are inspired, and he also write the motivational books, and he also deliver the motivational speeches. So you see the one of the book, You Can Win. You Can Win. This is the extraordinary book. 2.6 million copies in the throughout the world. The many languages. It is available in our Telugu also. You can buy it. It is very, very helpful to you when you are the depression. When you get the depression, it is very helpful to you. You have to so many stories are there. All are motivational, very inspirational stories. It is. So in our lesson also taken some of the part from this book also. Is it clear about the Shiva Khera? When he was born? The 23rd August 1961 in Dhanbad. Where is it? In the Jharkhand. Who was he? He is the self-help book writer and the motivational speaker. Before the motivational speaker, early he done that the life insurance agent and franchise operator. And okay, is it clear? So let us go to our topic. Every success story is also a story of great failures. Easy. The first paragraph. Failure is the highway to success. Tom Watson Senior said, if you want to succeed, double your failure rate. What is the failure? If you get the one of the failure, you get the depression. You feel very sad, very unhappy. But you should not. But after completion of the lesson, if you hear the lesson, no one could bother about that failure, I think. You see the first paragraph. Failure is the highway to success. Highway means is a clear way. If you fail, it is clear way to success. No, you are approaching to the success. Is it clear? Now, Tom Watson Senior said. Tom Watson Senior చెప్పాడు ఇక్కడ. ఏం చెప్పాడు? Tom Watson. If you want your rate, double your means failure rate. Who is the Tom? You see, double your failure rate means you try and attempt. Your attempts will be more if you try and try. If you fail again and you have to try. That is the double rate of the failures. Double failures. ఎక్కువ failures అయితే ఉంటేనే నువ్వు ఎంత తొందరగా సక్సీడ్ అవ్వడానికి వీలవుతుంది అని చెప్తాడు. If you want to succeed, double your failure rate. Who said this? You have to remember the Tom Watson. Is the name of the Tom Watson. Okay. Is the person. Who is the Tom Watson? Yeah. The Tom Watson Sr. was an American businessman. He was the CEO of IBM. What is the meaning of the abbreviation of the IBM? International Business Machine. What was it said? If you have to remember the quotation of the Tom Watson, it will be helpful in your examination. Maybe if you want to succeed, double your failure. Who said this one? The Tom Watson said. Who was the Tom Watson? The Tom Watson is the CEO of the IBM. Is it clear about that? First paragraph. Let us Go to the another paragraph. You see, if you study history, you will find that of all stories of success are also stories of great failures. But people don't see the failures. They only see one side of the picture. They say that person got lucky. He must have been at the right place at the right time. Again, I'll read it again. You have to read it again. If you study history, you will find that all stories of success are also stories of great failures, but people don't see the failures. They only see one side of the picture and they say that person got lucky. He must have been at the right place at the right time. If you observe, if you go to the past means you have history. If you go to the past, you have to observe some of the famous personalities of the biography. They have a lot of failures. They did not succeed very easily. They faced a lot of problems. Is it clear? So at the same way, but the people don't see the failures. But the people don't see the failures. They only see the one side of the picture. What is the meaning of the one side of the picture? You observe the coin here. Every coin is the two sides, the plus and minus. But it's the main intention of the other people. They only see the success of the persons. They don't want to see the negative opinions, negative things, the failures of that persons. But the peoples have only see that the success. They don't see anything about that failure. Not the failures, the only one side of the success. Okay, let us go to the another paragraph. Is it clear? What do they say? The people say that only success, not failures. You remember the sentence. Next, you see. Let me share someone's life history with you. This was a man who failed in business at the age of 21, was defeated in a legislative race at age 22, failed again in business at age 24, overcome the death of his sweetheart at age 26, had a nervous breakdown at age 27, lost a congressional race at the age 34, lost a sorry, lost a senatorial race at the age 45, failed in the effort to become vice president at age 47, lost a senatorial race at age 49, and was elected president of the United States at age 52. Now we are going to discuss about that Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln, do you know who was he? He was the president of the ex-president of the American. He was born in 1809. You remember the date of. No, let us know about that great failures and success of the Abraham Lincoln. Let me share some. This man was failed in the business at the age of 21. See, and you observe this picture. And simultaneously have to look at the test at the age of 21. What will happen? First failure. Next, he was defeated in the legislative race in the 22. What is the legislative race? We know we have the parliament in our India. We have the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha is there. At the same thing in America, there are the two houses, the Home of Representation and Senate. That is called the legislative race. Parliament ఎన్నికలు అంటాం కదా అలాగనే legislative race. So the second one is the age of 22, he failed in the legislative race. And the third one, he failed again the business at the age of 24 also. The 21 years the failed business, 22 the legislative race, and the 24 is the business. And the 26th, what happened is the main lost. The death of sweetheart. Do you know what is the sweetheart here? It's not his wife. It is not his wife. It's a lover. At the age of 26, actually, I'll show you the one. The Routledge is the 26 is the sweetheart is the name was Routledge. So wait. Rootlets that died in 1835. Who is the Routledge? Who was the Routledge? Is a sweetheart of Abraham Lincoln. When was he was born? In the 1809. At the exact 26 years. Routledge, 1809. Is Abraham Lincoln is married. The latter he married the Mary Todd in 1842. You remember the date? When he was the 33 years old, he was married. His wife name was Mary Todd. So here, 1835, his sweetheart died. It is very died as a sweetheart died. The next one more failure, that is, I'll show you the page. Next, at the age of 27 is a nervous breakdown. Nervous breakdown means mental depression, mental illness. If you get the failures, you did not success, if you don't success anything in your whatever work you do, what will be happen? Everyone is blamed to us. It is a lot of pressure in your mind. Then what will be happen? Is a nervous breakdown. It will be happen the nervous mental illness that is called the depression. Is it clear? It is very difficult to overcome it. The depression is very dangerous. అట్లా టైంలో మనం సూసైడ్ చేసుకో. Is it clear? Next, at the age of 34, congressional race. It is also political failure. In the political failure in the age of 34. Next, senatorial race. It is also political failure in the age of 45. Next, 47. The vice presidential race. Congress ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫెయిల్ అయినారు. సెనేటరియల్ రేస్ లో అంటే గవర్నర్ పోటీ కోసం కూడా ఫెయిల్యూర్ అయినారు. And again, at the age of 49, the senatorial race failed in the senatorial race. Finally, at the age of 52, he became a president. You observe his history, his life. So how many failures are there? 1, 2, age of 21, 22, 24, 26, 27th age, 34th age, the 40 at 45, at 47, and 49. The totally 9 failures. A lot of failures are there. But what happened? He came from a middle class family. It's a very poor family. He sold the slippers, some of the shoes, but finally he became a president of America. Is it clear how struggle he faced in his life? It is not easy to become the president of America. He faced a lot of failures in his life. Is it clear, all of you? You remember the Abraham Lincoln was born in 1809. At the age of 52, he became a president of America. Is it clear? Next, this man was Abraham Lincoln. Would you call him failure? He would have quit, but Lincoln defeated the detour and not dead end. You see, you look at that here. I did not measure. You see, this man was Abraham Lincoln. Would you call him failure? Failure and antamadini? No, he could have quit, but to Lincoln defeat was detour and not to dead hand. Detour and dead. What is the meaning of detour? Detour means the route that is used to when the usual one is closed. For example, మనం ఒక చోటుకు వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటున్నాం. There is no way. ఆ యూజువల్ వే అనేది అక్కడ కట్ అయిపోయి ఉంటుంది. కంపల్సరీ మనం వెళ్ళాలి అని అక్కడికి ఆగిపోకూడదు. యూ షుడ్ నాట్ టేక్ టు అనదర్ రూట్. అంటే వేరే దారి చూసుకోవాలి అనమాట. ఆ దారిలో అంటే కష్టమైనా కానీ మనం వెళ్ళవలసిన గమ్యాన్ని చేరుకోవాలి. మనము ఫెయిల్యూర్ అవినా కానీ మనం బాధపడుతూ అక్కడే కూర్చోకూడదు. యూ షుడ్ చేంజ్ ద వే. కానీ మనం చేరవలసిన గమ్యం చేరాలి. దట్ వి కాల్ ద డిటోర్ అంటాం అనమాట. ఒక దారి నుంచి మూసైపోతే ఇంకో దారి నుంచి వెళ్ళొచ్చు. అతడు నాట్ ద డెడ్ ఎండ్, అక్కడితో వదిలేయలేదు. దిస్ ఈస్ క్లియర్ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. సో నెక్స్ట్ స్లైడ్. You see, this is the one more slide, the paragraph in the page number 14 also. In 1913, Lee D. Forest, the inventor of the triodes tube, was charged by the district attorney for using the fraudulent means to mislead the public into buying stocks of its company by claiming that he could transfer the human wealth across the Atlantic. It was publicly humiliated. Can you imagine where we would be without this invention? In 1930, Levi Forest is the name of the person. Levi Forest, the inventor of the triodes, is the inventor of the triodes commodity, was charged by the district attorney for using the fraudulent to charge to mislead the public into buying
సార్
stocks.
కొంచెం వాయిస్ క్లారిటీ రాలేదు, కొంచెం గట్టిగా చెప్పండి.
Okay, clear. In 1913, Lee D. Forest, the inventor of the triodes tube, was charged by the district attorney for using fraudulent means to mislead the public into buying stocks of his company by claiming that he could transmit the human voice across the Atlantic. He was publicly humiliated. Can you imagine where would we be without his invention? Who was the Lee D. Forest? Is the inventor of the triode tube. What was the charge? The charge is a verb. To accuse somebody is a spelling mistake. Is not cause. It is accuse somebody family of a crime so that can be trial in a court. Ante neram mopadum. ఎవరిపైన ఇతని మీద నేరం మోపడం జరిగింది. ఎవరు మోపారు? బై ద డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ అటర్నరీ. డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ అటర్నరీ మీన్స్ ఇస్ ఎ లాయర్. ఎందుకోసం యూజింగ్ ఫ్రాడ్లెంట్ చేస్తున్నాడు, చీట్ చేస్తున్నాడు. ఫ్రాడ్లెంట్స్ మీన్స్ యు సీ ద ఫ్రాడ్లెంట్ మీన్స్ డిజానెట్ అండ్ ఇల్లీగల్ పని చేస్తున్నాడు. ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు అంట? ఫ్రాడ్లెంట్ మీన్స్ ఇల్లీగల్ మీన్స్ వే ద ఫ్రాడ్లెంట్స్ వే టు మిస్లీడ్ ద పబ్లిక్ ఇంటూ బయింగ్ స్టాక్స్. ఎలా అంటే పబ్లిక్ ని మా స్టాక్స్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్టాక్స్? హియర్ యు సీ స్టాక్స్ మీన్స్ ఎ షేర్ దట్ సంబడి బైస్ ఇన్ ఏ కంపెనీ. మా కంపెనీలో షేర్స్ కొనండి అని ప్రజల్ని మోసం చేస్తున్నాడు అనేసి అతని మీద కేసు వేయడం జరిగింది, చార్జ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. స్టాక్స్ బై క్లైమింగ్ దట్ ఈ కుడ్ ట్రాస్. ఏమని క్లైమ్ చేస్తున్నట్ట అంటే హౌ టు అనౌన్స్ ఇట్, ఎలా వాళ్ళని అట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నట్ట ప్రజల్ని. ఈ కుడ్ ట్రాన్స్మిట్ ద హ్యూమన్ వాయిస్ అక్రాస్ ద అట్లాంటిక్. ట్రాన్స్మిట్ ద యువర్ వాయిస్, మీ వాయిస్ ని అట్లాంటిక్ సముద్రం దాట వేస్తాను, అంత దూరము పంపిస్తాను. యాక్చువల్లీ మనం ఒక కొద్ది దూరం మాత్రమే అరవగలం. నువ్వు అరిచిన వరకు కొద్ది దూరమే, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద 1 kilometer, నాట్ ద 500 meters సమ్ అదర్. బట్ ఇతడు ఏం చెప్తున్నాడంట? మీ వాయిస్ ని ఎక్కువ దూరం పంపించగలను, నా దగ్గర షేర్ చేయండి, నా కంపెనీలో పెట్టుబడి పెట్టండి అని ప్రజల్ని మోసం చేస్తున్నాడు. సో ద ఫ్రాడులెంట్ అంటే చీట్ చేస్తున్నాడు అనేసి అటర్నరీ, డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ అటర్నరీ అతని మీద చార్జ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. హూ ఇస్ దట్ పర్సన్? లేడీ ఫారెస్ట్. He could transmit the human voice across the Atlantic. He was publicly humiliated. What is the meaning of the humiliated? Means insulting. అతన్ని చాలా ఇన్సల్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. Who is that person? Lady Forest. When was it? When was it happened? It's the 1913. 1913 లో జరిగింది. Humiliated means to make somebody feel ashamed and insulted. అరే ఇతని వాయిస్ ఏంది అంత దూరం అంటే సముద్రం దాటి చేరవేస్తాడంట, ఇతడు అంత ప్రజల్ని మోసం చేస్తున్నాడు. ఇస్ మోసం చేసి వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి వాళ్ళ కంపెనీలోని షేర్స్ కొనాలని చేస్తున్నాడు. సో అతడి ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్స్ షేర్స్ ని ప్రజల నుంచి తీసుకుంటున్నాడు. ఇస్ అ ఫ్రాడులెంట్ పర్సన్, ఇస్ ఎ చీటర్ అనేసి అతన్ని కేసు వేయడం జరిగింది. వెన్ 1913. హియర్ లిజన్. What is the triode tube? Already we have in the previous slides we learn about that he is the inventor of that triode tube. What was the triode tube? Triode tube ante manaku telusukovali kada. It is an electronic amplification, a tube having 3 active electrodes. It is the one of the amplification. What is the meaning of the amplification? Amplification is the noun. The amplify means to make sound louder. అంటే ఒక చిన్న వీక్ సిగ్నల్ ని, తక్కువగా ఉన్న సిగ్నల్ ని ఎక్కువగా చెప్తుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మైక్? మన మైక్ ఉంది కదా, లౌడ్ స్పీకర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఎలా సౌండ్ పెద్దగా వస్తుంది చిన్నగా మాట్లాడినా, దట్ ఈస్ ద ఆంప్లిఫికేషన్. So who is the inventor? That is the person, the Lady Forest. The triode is electronic amplification tube having 3 activity electrodes. Invented in 1906. When was it? This the date is very important. The 1906 is invented. When was you charged? It is the 1913. You have to remember the both dates. 1993లో అతను చార్జ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఎప్పుడు ఇన్వెంట్ చేసినారు? ఇతడు ఎప్పుడు కనుక్కున్నాడు? 1906లో కనుక్కున్నాడు. కానీ అతడి కంపెనీ నుంచి ప్రజల నుంచి మద్దతు షేర్స్ కొనమని చేస్తున్నాడు. బట్ ద పీపుల్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ బిలీవింగ్ దిస్ థాట్స్, ద ఇన్వెన్షన్. ఇది హైలీ ఇంపాసిబుల్. అందరికి ఎవరికి నమ్మకం లేదనమాట. అందుకే అతడు అందరు ప్రజల్ని మోసం చేస్తున్నాడని అతని మీద చార్జ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఓకే, the triode vacuum tube was the first electronic amplification device. This invention founded the electronic age, making the possible amplifier radio technology long distance full time. The vacuum means, you see, vacuum is the space that completely empty. Vacuum మొత్తం లాగేస్తుంది అక్కడ without air and raga. అంటే it is useful. vacuum tube ద్వారా amplification ని the weak signal గా ఉండేదాన్ని ఏదైతే ఇది weak signal ని పెద్దగా అంటే లౌడ్ స్పీకర్ గా మార్చడం జరుగుతుంది అనమాట. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ట్రయోడ్ ట్యూబ్ మీన్స్? నెక్స్ట్ లెట్ us know some more information about the Lady Forest. అతడి గురించి ఇంకా కొద్దిగా తెలుసుకుందాం. who is the Lady Forest? With over 180 patents to his credit, invented the signals and amplifies them. Is one of the father of the electronic age. The audience helped to user in the widespread use of the electronic is also credited with one of the principal invention that brought sound to motion. Correct, we know that. And American inventor triode inventor. You see 180 patents. What is the meaning of the patent? Any idea about it? Patent. Patent means an official right. Be the only person to make use or sell a product or invention. Is a document that proves. For example, now is the corona period. The virus కోసం ప్రయత్నిస్తుంది. ఎవరైతే ముందుగా కనిపెట్టారో ఆ వైరస్ యొక్క పేటెంట్ హక్కులన్నీ వాళ్ళ దగ్గరే ఉంటాయన్నమాట. అదే వైరస్ కంట్రీ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్
సార్ ఆన్ చేసుకోండి. మ్యూట్ ఆన్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే ఇప్పుడు బాగా వస్తుంది, మీరు చూసుకోండి. కొంచెం హెడ్సెట్ ఉంటే తీసేయండి, లేదంటే హెడ్సెట్ పెట్టుకోండి. అట్లా మార్పు చేసినా అని బాగా వస్తుంది.
సో ఓకే
కంటిన్యూ.
అమెరికన్ అతడికి 180 పేటెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయంట. పేటెంట్ అంటే తెలుసుకున్నా కదా, అండ్ అఫీషియల్ రైట్ టు బి ద ఓన్లీ పర్సన్ టు మేక్ ది యూజ్ ఆర్ సెల్ ఆర్ ద ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆర్ ఇన్వెన్షన్. మనం ఏదైనా కొనాలన్నా అమ్మాలన్నా ఏదైనా ఇన్వెంట్ చేసినటువంటి ఇట్స్ ఎ డాక్యుమెంట్. అంటే ఒక మనం ఇల్లు అమ్మితే ఒక పత్రం ఎలా ఉంటుందో అలా అన్నమాట. ప్రతి హక్కు అంటే నువ్వు ఏదైనా ఒక కనిపెట్టినట్లయితే ఆ హక్కు పూర్తి హక్కుదారుడు అతడే అనేసి. So you observe here 180 patents is not possible. You see, he invented the audion. Audion means is a device, vacuum device. The vacuum that is relatively weak signal. The weak electrical signal amplifies them. Is the one of the father of the electronic age. Electronic age ante invention of the electronic మార్పులు ఏవైతే వచ్చినాయో మన మొబైల్స్, టీవీలు ఏదైనా ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ డివైసెస్ ఏవైనా వచ్చినాయో అందులో ఇస్ ద ఫాదర్, ఇస్ ద మెయిన్ పర్సన్, ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద పర్సన్. ఆ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ డివైస్ లో వచ్చిన మార్పులను ఇతడు కూడా వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ పర్సన్. ప్రిన్సిపల్ మీన్స్ హియర్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఇన్వెన్షన్ దట్ బ్రాట్ ద సౌండ్ టు మోషన్. మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అతడు సౌండ్ సిగ్నల్ ని పెంచడం ద్వారానే మనం ఇప్పుడు నౌ వీఆర్ మనం సినిమా చూస్తున్నాం, బయటికి వెళ్తున్నాం, మాట్లాడుతున్నాం, మొబైల్స్ లో మాట్లాడుతున్నాం. దీని అందరికి మెయిన్ కారణం ఎవరు? ఇస్ ద leafy forest. Is it clear? I think you understand it. Okay, let us go to the another slide. You see, a New York Times editorial on December 10th, 1903, questioned the wisdom of the Wright brothers who were trying to invent a machine heavier than air that would fly. 1 week later, at Kitty Hawk, the Wright brothers took their famous flight. What is that? The New York Times editorial. What is the meaning of the editorial here? These are the Wright brothers. You observe it. Wright brothers. The New York Times, it is a paper, the newspaper. The New York Times is a newspaper like Yinadu, Hindu, the Sakshi, like that. It is a New York Times. What is the editorial? Editorial means an an article written by the editor of a newspaper. Is the article. ఒక article రాసింది ఏమని ఎప్పుడు డిసెంబర్ 10th 1903. ఇది క్వశ్చన్ టు ద విజ్డమ్ ఆఫ్ ద రైట్ బ్రదర్స్. వాళ్ళ క్వశ్చన్ చేసింది ఏమని, who were trying to invent a machine heavier than air. Actually, they are not believed about that. ఫ్లైట్ గాల్లో ఎగురుతాయి, బరువైనటువంటి గాల్లో ఎగురుతాయా? ఓన్లీ లైట్ వెయిట్ ఉండేటి మాత్రమే గాల్లో తేలుతాయి, లైక్ ఎ ఫెదర్స్. బరువైనటువంటివి we should not fly in the air. So they have the doubt. They don't believe the Wright brothers. So they are satirical article. This is వాళ్ళని satirical ఒక ఆర్టికల్ రాయడం జరిగింది. ఏది? ద న్యూయార్క్ టైమ్స్ అండ్ ద రైట్ బ్రదర్స్ who were trying to invent machine heavier than air. అంటే గాలి కంటే బరువైనది మిషన్ తయారు చేస్తున్నారంట, అది అక్కడ ఎగురుతుందా? ఇట్ ఈస్ సెటైరికల్ ఆర్టికల్. ఎప్పుడు రాసింది? సో డిసెంబర్ 10th 1903. The 1 week later at Kitty Hawk.
స్క్రీన్ చూసుకోండి.
స్క్రీన్ పోయిందా?
మాకు కనిపించట్లేదు స్క్రీన్. మళ్ళీ క్లోజ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఆన్ చేయండి.
ఓకే, whatever. ఇప్పుడు
ఇంకా రాలేదు సార్.
కనిపిస్తుందా?
ఇంకా రాలేదు. క్లోజ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఆన్ చేయండి.
Hello, is it clear, all of you? Are you able to listen with my voice?
Okay.
షేర్ చేస్తారా? Now we have completed about the 3 persons, Huntington and Lady Forest. Now we are going to discuss about the Wright brothers. What were the failures of this person? Please, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience. This is proper matter. I'll show it again. The animation is now working here. What happened to it? So, okay, let us see. It's the New York Times editorial of Wright brothers who were trying to invent a machine heavier than air that would fly. 1 week later, Kitty Hawk. Kitty Hawk is the place the Wright brothers took their famous flight. Sorry. Okay. But what happened? Everyone is amazed at that. వాళ్ళు గాల్లో ఎగిరి చూపించారు. When the 1 week later. 1 week later means the 10th December. 10th December means the 1 week తర్వాత అంటే 17th, the 1903, I think. The Wright brothers took their famous flight. This where did he get the failure? This is the ashamed that the ఒక న్యూయార్క్ టైమ్స్ ఒక ఎడిటోరియల్ ఒక ఆర్టికల్ రాసింది వీళ్ళ మీద కించపరుస్తూ రాసింది. అదే వాళ్ళ కొంత ఫెయిల్యూర్స్. The article insulted them, but they did not feel that they succeed after 1 week. 1 week later, at Kitty Hawk, the Wright brothers took their famous flight. Wheelé flight కనిపెట్టడం జరిగింది. Is it clear? Abraham Lincoln did not bother about the 9 failures. Finally, he got. What about the Lady Forest? Was invented in 1906 that the triode troops. He was charged in 1913. The people should not believe in him about the invention, but is the one of the father of the electronic case. Okay, is it clear? Next slide. You see, Colonel Sanders is the Colonel Sanders at the age of 65 with a beat-up car and $1,000 check from the Social Security, realized he had to do something. He remembered his mother's recipe and went out selling wine. How many doors did he have to knock on before he got his first order? It is estimated that a hard knock on more than 1,000 years before he got his first order. Sorry, order. How many of us quit there after 3? We said we tried as hard as we could. All of you look at that your textbooks. Some of the spelling mistakes are there. You see, Colonel Sanders at the age of 65 with a beat up. What is the meaning of the beat up car? Beat up car means the old one, as a damaged one car at the age of 65 and a check 100